For today's video, we will show you how to buy XRP on Phemex. So let's begin. But before we can buy XRP on Phemex, we need to know what XRP is. So basically, it's a cryptocurrency used in financial network like RippleNet to facilitate currency transfers globally among institutional payment providers such as banks. And it is one of the top 10 biggest cryptos currently. Now, if you may ask how to buy XRP, so there are multiple ways for you to do that. One is you can buy XRP with a credit card. You can conveniently buy XRP with a credit or debit card on Phemex. Just click on this link right here for you to be able to buy XRP instantly. And also there's the what we call the spot trading. You can trade XRP to USD and over 54 plus other crypto pairs on Phemex industry leading trading engine. And if you want to make a spot trading, gonna click on this link right here. Now for crypto converter, Phemex also allows you to instantly convert between XRP and other cryptos or fiat currencies. If you want to convert XRP now, just click on this link right here. And if you want to buy XRP with a bank transfer, all you're gonna do is purchase XRP with a hassle-free with your bank account. Just click on this link. Now, where to buy XRP? So buying XRP can be done securely on Phemex because the buy and sell crypto service allows you to instantly purchase XRP and 50 plus other cryptos including BTC, ETH, USDT, and SOL, and more with a debit or credit card because they work with 6 fiat payment partners to support 90 plus fiat currencies and achieve a fast and secure transaction. Now, if you may ask what to do with XRP, well, simply you can buy and hold. Some users choose to hold XRP to benefit from value appreciation. You can securely keep XRP in your Phemex account, or simply you can trade. And trading can be done via Phemex spot and contract markets. And of course, they offer 80 plus spot trading pairs, so you can trade XRP to a BTC, to ETH, DOGE, and many more. And also, you can earn XRP and sell. Now, for more information, I suggest you go here at Phemex.com and buy crypto and buy XRP Ripple. That's it for today's video on how to buy XRP on Phemex. Thank you so much for watching.